Welcome to Gearhead Insights, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews, expert analysis, and all things automotive. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Suzuki Carry Mini 2025, a compact yet reliable workhorse designed for businesses and individuals who need an efficient transport solution. Suzuki Carry Mini 2025 is a practical and budget-friendly vehicle that continues Suzuki's tradition of offering durable commercial transport options. With its boxy, no-nonsense design, it maximizes cargo space while maintaining excellent maneuverability. The large windshield and side windows ensure great visibility, making it ideal for city driving. Inside, the cabin is built for function over luxury. The dashboard is simple and user-friendly, featuring an easy-to-read instrument cluster and straightforward controls. The seats are basic but comfortable enough for daily use, with durable upholstery to withstand heavy-duty operations. Under the hood, the Suzuki Carry Mini 2025 is powered by a 1.5L four-cylinder engine, offering a balance of power and fuel efficiency. It comes with a 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth performance. The van provides enough power for moderate cargo loads while maintaining excellent fuel economy. Speaking of fuel economy, this is where the Carry Mini van shines. With an estimated mileage of 16 to 18 km per liter, it's an economical choice for businesses aiming to reduce operating costs. The lightweight structure further enhances efficiency, making it an ideal option for urban deliveries. Cargo space is another strong point. The van offers a flat floor design for easy loading and unloading, and with a payload capacity of around 750 kilograms, it can handle various types of goods. Whether you're transporting groceries, tools, or small machinery, the Carry Mini van gets the job done. Safety features have seen some minor improvements in the 2025 model. Basic essentials like ABS, anti-lock braking system, airbags, and seatbelt reminders are included. However, advanced safety technologies such as collision avoidance and lane departure warning are absent to keep costs down. The suspension system is designed to handle different road conditions effectively. With McPherson struts in the front and a leaf spring suspension in the rear, it provides a stable ride even when fully loaded. The lightweight chassis ensures good handling, particularly in city traffic. Maneuverability is another highlight. With a tight turning radius, it's easy to navigate through narrow streets and parking lots. The steering response is adequate for urban driving, making it a practical choice for businesses operating in congested areas. Braking performance is decent for its category, featuring front disc and rear drum brakes. While not the most advanced setup, it offers sufficient stopping power for a small commercial vehicle. One of the biggest advantages of the Suzuki Carry Mini 2025 is its low maintenance cost and reliability. With affordable spare parts and an extensive service network, keeping this van in top shape is easy and cost-effective. The van comes in various configurations, catering to different business needs. Whether you need a passenger version or a cargo-focused variant, there's an option that suits your requirements. Some models even offer additional seating flexibility. When it comes to pricing, the Suzuki Carry Mini van remains one of the most affordable options in its class. With low ownership costs, good resale value, and minimal maintenance expenses, it's a great investment for businesses and fleet operators. Compared to its competitors, the Carry Mini van prioritizes affordability and efficiency over luxury. While other brands might offer more advanced features, Suzuki focuses on delivering a practical and durable commercial vehicle that's easy to maintain and operate. Comfort inside the cabin is basic but sufficient for short to medium distance travel. The seating is functional, though long trips might require additional cushioning. Noise insulation is minimal, so engine and road noise can be noticeable at higher speeds. Technology and infotainment are limited to the essentials. A basic radio with optional Bluetooth connectivity is available. Since this van is designed for work rather than leisure, Suzuki has kept the entertainment features minimal. Climate control is simple but effective. While some variants come with factory-installed air conditioning, base models may require an upgrade. The ventilation system ensures airflow throughout the cabin, keeping things comfortable. The durability of the Suzuki Carry Mini van is another strong point. With a reinforced chassis and corrosion-resistant materials, it is built to handle tough working conditions. Many users report long-term reliability with minimal mechanical issues. Overall, the Suzuki Carry Minivan 2025 continues to be a practical, reliable, and fuel-efficient choice for small businesses and fleet owners. While it lacks luxury features, it excels in affordability, cargo space, and low operating costs, making it one of the best value for money minivans in its category. That wraps up our review of the Suzuki Carry Minivan 2025. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gearhead Insights for more expert car reviews and automotive content. Stay tuned for more updates, and we'll see you in the next one.